Today we're diving deep into the world of survival preparedness, and I'm going to show you some things that might just blow your mind. You see it every time there's a hurricane or a blizzard, right? People fighting over the last loaf of bread, the shelves are wiped clean. It's chaos. While most people are fighting over the last loaf of bread whenever a storm hits, there are actually 9 critical survival foods sitting right now on Walmart shelves that almost nobody knows about. I'm talking about foods with a crazy long shelf life that can survive just about anything. These aren't your regular canned goods. These are high-quality, long-lasting survival foods that government agencies have been quietly stockpiling for years and for good reason. And the scary part? Walmart doesn't exactly advertise these items. In fact, they're often hidden in places you'd never think to look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these foods are, where to find them, and why they deserve a spot in your emergency supplies. Stay with me because food item 7 alone could feed your family for a week in a crisis, and it costs less than a pizza. Let's dive in. First up, we're talking freeze-dried fruit. Freeze-drying is like hitting the pause button on food spoilage. They remove all the moisture, which is what bacteria love, but they keep all the nutrients and flavor locked in. You're left with these light, crunchy pieces of fruit that can last for years, even decades, without going bad. You won't find these tucked away in the regular fruit aisle. They're usually hiding in plain sight in the camping and outdoor gear section. Backpackers and hikers know that freeze-dried food is lightweight, nutrient-dense, and perfect for long treks where every ounce counts. So next time you're at Walmart, swing by the camping aisle and stock up on some freeze-dried fruit. Trust me, your taste buds and your future self will thank you. All right, let's talk protein, the building block of survival. When the grid goes down, you're going to need a reliable source of protein. Now, we all know about beef jerky, right? Classic survival food. But let me tell you, it's not the only game in town. We're going beyond beef jerky and diving into the world of canned meat alternatives. Think Spam, canned chicken, even sardines. This stuff is packed with protein. It's shelf-stable for years. In a survival situation, you gotta be practical. And that's why government agencies have been stockpiling these canned meat alternatives for decades. They know that when disaster strikes, these little cans could mean the difference between staying strong and, well, not staying strong. We're moving on to carbohydrates, the fuel that keeps your engine running. We're going deeper, exploring the world of specialty grain products, those ancient grains that have sustained civilizations for centuries. I'm talking about quinoa, millet, amaranth, the real deal. These aren't just trendy health foods, these are survival staples, my friends. First off, they're nutritional powerhouses. We're talking complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, fiber to keep you feeling full and regular, and a surprising amount of protein for a grain. But here's the kicker. These grains have a shelf life that'll blow your mind. Stored properly in airtight containers, they can last for years, even decades, without going bad. Quinoa, for example, is like a blank canvas. It soaks up flavors like a champ. Millet is another versatile option. It's got a slightly sweet, nutty flavor that works well in both sweet and savory dishes. The point is, these specialty grain products are more than just survival food. They're an opportunity to get creative in the kitchen and explore new flavors. And who knows, you might even discover a new favorite dish along the way. Let's talk about those moments when you're on the move, bugging out, or just need a quick and easy energy boost. That's where high-calorie nutrition bars come in. Now, I'm not talking about your average sugary granola bar here. I'm talking about the real deal, the kind of bars that are specifically designed for survival situations and used by military personnel and disaster relief organizations. These bars are calorie-dense, meaning they pack a lot of energy into a small package. And that's crucial when you're facing a crisis. You need food that's going to fuel your body and keep you going, not some sugary snack that's going to spike your blood sugar and then leave you crashing harder than a meteor. These high-calorie nutrition bars are designed for exactly that. They're often packed with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, providing a balanced source of nutrition to keep you going for hours. So next time you're at Walmart, swing by the camping or outdoor section and check out their selection of high-calorie nutrition bars. Trust me, your future self will thank you. All right, folks, let's talk about powdered dairy alternatives. Powdered milk? That stuff's nasty. But the game has changed. We're talking about palatable, nutritious options. Think powdered goat's milk, coconut milk, even creamers. Shelf-stable milk has a limited shelf life. Powdered dairy can last for years in airtight containers. They're versatile for cooking and nutritious. Next time, check out the powdered dairy aisle. Your future self will thank you. Let's dive into a topic that often gets overlooked in the survival world, but trust me, it's crucial for both your physical and mental well-being: specialty cooking oils. Now, I'm not talking about your standard vegetable oil here. We're going beyond the basics and exploring the world of oils that can elevate your survival cooking from bland and boring to flavorful and satisfying. I'm talking about coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, the real MVPs of the oil world. These oils are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and flavor compounds that can make a world of difference in your survival diet. Plus, they have a surprisingly long shelf life, especially when stored properly in a cool, dark place. Coconut oil is incredibly versatile and can be used for everything from cooking and baking to skincare and even first aid. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart and overall health. Avocado oil is quickly gaining popularity for its mild flavor and high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking. Even a small bottle of your favorite oil can make a world of difference in your survival cooking. Think about it. You're surviving on a diet of rice and beans. A drizzle of olive oil or a dollop of coconut oil can add much-needed flavor and richness, making your food more enjoyable and helping to keep your spirits up. So next time you're at Walmart, check out their selection of specialty cooking oils. Okay, folks, let's talk about convenience. Because let's be real, in a survival situation, the last thing you want to be doing is slaving over a hot stove. That's where ready-to-eat meal pouches come in. These pouches are like the holy grail of survival food. They're pre-cooked, shelf-stable, and ready to eat in minutes, making them perfect for those times when you need a hot meal fast. Now, I'm not talking about your average cup of noodles here. I'm talking about gourmet grub, my friends. We're talking chicken tikka masala, beef stew, even lasagna, all in a convenient pouch that you can heat up with just a little bit of boiling water. These meal pouches are a far cry from the freeze-dried meals of the past. They're often made with high-quality ingredients and packed with flavor. Plus, they're designed to be lightweight and portable, making them ideal for bug-out bags, emergency kits, or even just your desk drawer at work. So next time you're at Walmart, swing by the camping or outdoor section and check out their selection of ready-to-eat meal pouches. You might be surprised at the variety and quality of meals available. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's talk about getting your greens, even when fresh produce is scarce. We're diving into the world of specialty dehydrated vegetables, those nutritional powerhouses that are often overlooked but essential for a balanced survival diet. Think about it: sun-dried tomatoes bursting with flavor, crunchy kale chips that put potato chips to shame, even dehydrated bell peppers that add a pop of color and sweetness to any dish. Dehydration is like hitting the pause button on freshness, locking in nutrients and flavor while extending shelf life exponentially. So while everyone else is fighting over the last wilted head of lettuce, you'll be enjoying a garden's bounty in a bag. So next time you're at Walmart, don't just walk past the produce section. Take a detour down the dehydrated vegetable aisle and discover a world of flavor and nutrition that's just waiting to be explored. All right, folks, let's talk about the elephant in the room. In a long-term survival situation, even with the best-stocked pantry, getting all the nutrients your body needs can be tough. That's where multi-purpose food supplements come in. Think of these as your nutritional insurance policy, a way to fill in the gaps and ensure your body is getting the vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients it needs to thrive, even when times get tough. So next time you're at Walmart, check out their selection of multi-purpose food supplements. Look for brands that are transparent about their ingredients and sourcing, and don't be afraid to ask a pharmacist for recommendations. Remember, in a survival situation, knowledge is power, and knowing how to properly nourish your body can mean the difference between thriving and just surviving. We've covered a lot of ground today, from freeze-dried fruits to multi-purpose food supplements. And while these 9 hidden survival foods at Walmart are a great starting point, remember that true preparedness goes beyond just stockpiling supplies. It's about having the knowledge, skills, and mindset to adapt and overcome any challenge. So stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay prepared. Remember, being prepared isn't just about having enough food. It's about having the right kind of food. Stay safe and see you in the next video.